In this video, I'll show you how to use Weidian in English so you can browse, shop, and place orders easily on this Chinese platform. Step 1. Open the Weidian website. Go to weidian.com using Chrome or any browser that supports translation. Step 2. Translate the page to English. In Chrome, right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate to English. If the option doesn't appear, click the Google Translate icon in the address bar. Step 3. Browse and search products. Now you can search for items or browse categories. Everything will be shown in English. Use keywords or paste product links if you have them. Step 4. Copy product details and purchase via agent. Since Weidian doesn't ship globally, copy the product link and use a third-party buying agent like SSBuy or SuperBuy. Paste the link there, and they'll help you order and ship internationally. Important notes. Weidian is mostly in Chinese, so auto-translate is your best friend. Prices are in RMB, Chinese yuan. Always double-check sizing, seller ratings, and shipping details with your agent. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more shopping and app tutorials.